Hours to go before the Bihar verdict comes out, but a big setback for the Mahagathbandhan as the Mahagathbandhan's leader RJD MLC Sunil Singh has been booked by the Bihar cops. Why? Because he warned before the counting even completes, he has said that if officials not work with honesty tomorrow, then you will see a situation like Nepal, Bangladesh in Bihar, hinting that there will be riots. Listen in.
इस तरह से वर्ष 2020 में आपने 10-12 सीट पर बेईमानी किया तो देखिए, या तो हमारा कैंडिडेट बाहर आएगा काउंटिंग हॉल से या फिर आप बाहर आइएगा। आप तो हम नहीं चाहते हैं कि ये बिहार का जो रोड है ये नेपाल की तरह आपको देखने को दृश्य मिले, आपको बांग्लादेश की तरह देखने को मिले, आपको श्रीलंका की तरह देखने को मिले। इस बार पूरे आम आवाम के लोग, जितने भी आम आवाम के लोग हैं, सभी लोग सचेष्ट हैं।
And my colleague Prabhakar stays with me to decode this reaction coming in from the RJD. Prabhakar, first we see RJD leader Tejashwi Yadav saying that there is a conspiracy and people will give a befitting reply. Now we have RJD MLC who has been now booked because of such statements.
See, the affair has been lodged against him, and he has been a loose cannon as far as the RJD is concerned. He is the one guy who actually is known for giving controversial statements. So here. Now he's warning the officials that if the counting process is delayed, then there will be a riot-like situation, and the Bihar police has taken a cognizance of it. Bihar police has lodged a FIR against him in the cyber cell, and they're saying that they would take action against Sunil Singh, who happens to be the MLC from the RJD quota. Yeah.
Right. Thank you so much, Prabhakar, for giving us all the details as we continue to track the politics and the planning and plotting as suggested by the Mahagathbandhan that is taking place.